Hey, how's it going? It's Bryson here from Luminohealth, and today I'm going to be sharing my personal experience with the therapy tool urbanpoling. I like to get out with my family for walks and hikes, but it's always a concern to keep pressure off our joints, especially for my dad here. And urbanpoling has a wide variety of rehab and fitness poles. You might be asking yourself, what is urbanpoling? Well, urbanpoling is exactly like cross-country skiing, but without the skis. How to use them. There are a bunch of videos on urbanpoling.com that walk you through step-by-step how to use the poles, and it's pretty simple. First, you take your poles like this, and you match them to your height. So I'm 5'10", so you pull them out to 5'10", you lock them in place, and then you do the same thing with the other side. Good to go. The boot tips at the bottom of the poles are great. They act as shock absorbers on hard surfaces like the sidewalk. You can also remove the boot tip, revealing the carbon fiber steel tip, which is good for trails, soft surfaces, and ice. Quick tips. Grip the handles lightly to reduce any unnecessary pressure on your hands. Also, you're going to want to walk with the poles naturally, the same way you would walk without the poles. Now that we know how to use the poles, let's check out some of the benefits. The first benefit is that the poles are great for no matter your age or fitness level. They're just a great way to get out and be active. The urban poles are also good for allowing you to walk further, faster, and comfortably. Whether you're on an intense trail or walking on the sidewalk, the poles are a great way for more stability, acting as 4 points of contact and also giving you more of a workout. And if you're struggling with your posture, the poles also help reduce stress on your joints, like your knees or hips. Fun fact, did you know that urbanpoling is a 100% women-owned and operated Canadian company? In 2005, they were the first company to bring urbanpoling, also known as Nordic walking, to Canada. Now, if you or your loved one is still hesitant about getting out for walks or hikes, definitely check out urbanpoling poles. We'll leave a link below for you to get them for less. Visit luminohealth.ca for your free promo code to urbanpoling poles. And don't forget, when you're there, to check out the health resources. We work hard to surface the newest innovations to health, and our goal is to help you live healthier. Tell us more about what you're looking for in the comments below, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see what we're going to review next. Thank you, and stay safe.